Howdy, folks. So it is a very nice and windy day here in Costa Rica. My last video, I put up a small Joreador, which is it's a coffee maker, a traditional coffee maker here in Costa Rica, and had a lot of fun carving that out with the woodsman. But one of the subscribers asked a question or made a suggestion. He said that that's really cool, the coffee maker, but it'd be even cooler if it was something you could take with you while you were camping. So that got me to thinking. And so I ran down the creek today and picked up a couple different pieces of material. Two pieces are bamboo, and then the other is some driftwood I found. So let me show you what I've got. This is the material I'm going to be using for these two projects if everything turns out okay. These two pieces are obviously bamboo, and then this is some driftwood. I really could not tell you what type of tree that is from. Again, found it along the side of the creek. But I do want you guys to get a chance to see kind of the dimensions of the bamboo around here. Now, here was the base section, and you can kind of tell that by the little roots. I'm gonna put this up against there, and if I am reading this correct, that wall it's over 3/4 of an inch thick. I don't think it's quite an inch, but it's over 3/4. So that's a lot of good solid material in this that I'm going to try to put to use. I've got on this piece here one nodule in the center, a nodule on each end, and we'll try to make a Joreador out of one of these. And if I get really crazy, I might try to make a cup or something like that out of this. I've got my little bag, little coffee sock. This is the one I've been using for some time now, and I'll use that with this setup. And then at a later time, I'm probably going to try to make a big like Joreador for my home, nice, thick, and heavy out of this. It's ought to be a lot of fun because this thing is solid. But those are the materials I have, and I'm going to take the woodsman and get to carving.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. too.
It's good coffee. Folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Working with bamboo is kind of a new thing for me. There's a lot of bamboo down here, but I just really haven't messed with it a whole lot. But I'm really happy how this turned out. It has 5 pieces, and everything was done with the Woodsman. We'll find out on the video whenever I'm doing the editing. Hopefully I got the angles right where you guys can see what I was doing. But used a couple pins to give it tension, and then the hoop is just bent around and shoved through the back. I used a pot of boiling water and boiled this for 15 or 20 minutes to kind of get a bend to it. It worked out pretty good, except I got a little bit of crimping right in this area right here. Still very sturdy, but I definitely need to work on my wood bending or bamboo bending skills. Andy, I want to thank you for this idea. It's a great one. It's nothing to take this apart. You can put it in your backpack and take it to camp with you. So no problem at all. Once you get to camp, put it back together and have some coffee. So it was a cool idea. Thank you for that. Anyway, folks, stay safe, take care, and God bless.